So before starting the chapter, we should go through all these topics which is related to electromagnetisms, and we can see that here two different branches has been taken out, and which is electrostatics and electrodynamics. So under electrostatics, we will study about the charge which are in stationary mode, and electrodynamics talks about charge in moving. Under electrostatics, we will find Gauss law, capacitors, and under electrodynamics, which is there in current electricity, we will have current, magnetism, EMI, electromagnetic induction, AC, alternating current. So the first topic that we need to focus is charge, electric charge, and so let's take an example of an atom, and where you can see that on the center we have nucleus, which consists of some protons which are having positive charges, and the electrons are moving around which are having negative charges. So what I have done, I have taken a live example experiment for you people, so we can see what is happening. So when I take a proton, you see on the top you have a positive ion written, but when I take a electron on the same, then it becomes a neutral atom. So you can see the net charge nearby on the right side, which says about plus when and only the proton number of protons is increasing. So one thing we have understood from here, that when and only the number of protons and electrons are getting equal, the net charge on any atom remains neutral. That means it remains zero, and that's what the concept of electric charge came out from an atom. So I think so if you take the example of a neutron, is it going to hamper? No, it's just making the atom stable and unstable. So this is the normal experiment where you can go and check out that charges are playing a major role in forming an atom. Now we can focus on to the point that what all these charge particles are carrying a unit, and it's carrying a unit called coulomb. So we can see that one electron carries a negative of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb of charge, and one proton carries the positive of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb of charge. And remember, I have already given concept of why these sign conventions has been utilized for electron as negative and proton as positive. So the next topic we are going to focus is charges quantized, and we'll meet on the next video.